This is my third video today, so if you see me in the same outfit in another video, don't think nothing of it. I'm just trying to catch up with videos, guys. I've had just such a hard time. This is my Ipsy review, and now this is for the September Ipsy bag. Is it September? Now this is for the September bag. I had to think about that for a second because I'm so behind on videos, guys. But I did get 7 products. Now 2 of them was bought with my Ipsy points. So we are just going to quickly go through these. I'm going to tell you which ones I like and which ones I don't. So if you want to stick around and find out which ones worked for me and which ones didn't, just keep watching. Doing today. I hope everybody's well. For those of you that are new, my name is Mandy. Welcome to the video. And again, guys, it is September Ipsy review time. So I'm glad you come to find out which products worked for me and which ones didn't. We're just going to go ahead and jump in. Now, the reason I'm trying to catch up on a few of these videos, guys. Now, my husband is in the hospital having surgery. So I've been dealing with that. My son decided to play on his skateboard while waiting on the bus the other day and actually fractured his ankle. So I was in the hospital all day yesterday with him, poor little guy. You know, he's on crutches and it just wears him out just going to the bathroom. So I've just kind of been preoccupied. So now I'm trying to catch up on videos. So we are just going to quickly go through. I'll show you the 2 items at the end that I bought with my Ipsy point and show you which products I liked. Of course, the first thing is this Dolce Cheek Blush. Now, shade RSVP. Now, this does have a little bit of shimmer in it. It is not big, chunky glitter. It is absolutely beautiful. And it is a absolutely gorgeous blush. I love this blush. It just gives you that just quick rosy cheek look. It just looks so natural. Next thing I got was the Glamour Dolls eyeliner. Now this is in shade blue. Guys, I love this eyeliner. I just love it. I think it is perfect for the lower lash line. A lot of times to make your eyes look bigger, you would want to go in there with a lighter color. And a lot of people use white. I don't like using a stark white line on that lower lash line. This does have glitter in it. I think it's beautiful on the lower lash line. Now, the next thing that I got was the Eva NYC Satin Dream Leave-In Cream Conditioner. Now, this is for your hair. Guys, this made my hair so soft and silky. This is just magic in a bottle. I love this hair stuff. Next thing that I got was the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, Primer, and Moisturizer in one. Now, look at the pump on this. I think this is adorable. I love the primer. I think it's a wonderful product, and it is a it left almost a silky canvas, but it's not the mattifying primer. It's more lotiony, but I loved it. I absolutely loved it. The last thing that I got with my Ipsy bag was the Trestique. Now this is the mini lip glaze, and this is in Mamba Magenta. I think that's what it is. Now I was thinking this was dual-ended for some reason. I think it was because the cap is just adorable. But this is the shade. Now guys, this is one that didn't really work for me. It was a little bit too sheer and it wore off like right away. But this was a little bit too sheer. It didn't wear that long, so I didn't really like this product. I'm sorry, Trusty, but I know y'all got some great products, but this just didn't quite work for me. Now for the 2 products that I bought with my Ipsy points. Now first off is the Fasanti Liquid Lip Gloss. I'm sorry, it's not a lipstick. This is the Power Oils Lip Gloss, and this is in shade, Supermom. It's in shade Supermom. Now, guys, I love the wand. The smell is kind of like a mini smell, but this took me a couple of layers to get it from looking so streaky and blotchy. But after the second layer, I think it is a very beautiful product. Now for something I fell in love with. This is the Ella Eden London Loose Pigment Eyeshadow. Now this is in shade Alex. This is a gold shade. I think it is very beautiful. It's very pigmented. And you could wet it, or you could use it with your finger, or you could use it by itself with a brush. Nothing else. It's just pigmented as shit, really. It's so pigmented. And I love the color. It's mixed with like a copper and a gold, so it's a very beautiful shade. That is it for this Ipsy review, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you next video. Bye, guys. on that lower lash line. I think this is absolutely perfect. Now, again, this does have a little bit of glitter in it, but it is not going to mess with your eyes. It's not going to fall out. It's not big and chunky glitter. Move, move, move. Where the music go?
I'm sorry, Glow Tarts.
Sin.
Only on deck for Sin. Gotta put that in your video. Yeah.
It is not big, chunky glitter that is... We'll talk to you in a minute.
Is it your first?
Sheer, and it wore off like right away. What are you getting?